Hello friends. In last video I spoke about solution approach or design thinking as one of the critical components for digital transformation based on AI. In this video I'm going to talk about a very important step, which is data preparation. Now data is a factor on which all decisions are made. So HR is collecting lots and lots of data online and offline, which is enabling them to decide which person to recruit and not to recruit. Marketing department is selecting lot of data from online and offline resources, trying to do customer segmentation and segregation, and deciding on which customer will buy or not buy. Data is considered the oil of the new era. Without good data, businesses will go haywire. So data preparation involves some steps. First one is gathering data. So gathering data depends upon what kind of problem you are solving. So picking the right kind of data should be our goal, and luckily many public and private data sets as well as free data sets are available for scientists to experiment upon, as well as create beautiful problems solving solutions around that. Next is handling missing data. So missing data is an important step, and if not done correctly, it can create a lot of blunders. Next is feature extraction, and it's an important one, and it can be the turning point in your problem solving solution development, and it makes the data sets unique. And deciding what factors will be the best for solving a problem. Ideally, AI model should be the one selecting the features as well as factors, whereas it is not always possible in complex problem solving. So it is always best to select the features and factors beforehand and feed the model appropriately. And last but not the least, is splitting the data into testing and training data. So it should be ensured that test data is not just randomly cut out of the given data set. It should be properly engineered to do that. And so these and many other topics have been covered in depth in my book, Leveraging AI for Business Success. So if you want to get the ball rolling, grab your copy from likes of Amazon and Flipkart, links for which are given inside the video. So grab your copy and set the ball rolling. Thank you.